Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the mobile app and website Quizlet. If you're a teacher, this video is for you. If you don't have an account, watch my video on how to create an account on Quizlet. First, we will work in a unit to see what it has and then add it to one of our classes. Later, I'll show you how to create a class. Choose one unit that you want your students to practice here in the search bar. I recommend you to choose the free version of the app. Choose the unit that you like the most, but make sure to check it out because some of them contain some languages. Once you've chosen your unit, you will be able to add this unit to your classes, clicking on the symbol plus. In these three little dots, you can see a series of options for this unit, but for now we're not going to use these functions. If you scroll down, you will be able to see all the terms and vocabulary that you can learn from this unit. Here, or on the left side of each unit, you're going to find 4 types of exercises to study. We are going to add this unit of verbs to a class. Click on the icon Add, and it'll be added to one of your classes. Now, in order to create a class, go to the Higher section and look for Create. Complete the information with the name of the class. Add an institution from the list. Your class is now created. Here you'll find 3 sections: Units, Students, and Progress. But the section Progress does not belong to the free version of the app. You can create your own units of study using your own pictures and your own material that you wish to teach. Or you can also look for and add units that have already been created. This is the link that you have to share with your students so that they can join to your class and the units along with the content that you want them to study. You can use these icons to create units and also to add units that you have studied previously here in Quizlet. Create your folders and organize your units inside of them. You can also delete content that you don't need. Create as many classes as you need and add the content or units that your students also need. Remember that the section Progress is not available for the free version. In the section Library, you will have access to all the content of your Quizlet account. Thanks for watching. I hope that you find this video useful. Enjoy learning.